Listen to me. If you want to be the most respected person in the room, you have to stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for people to acknowledge you, to validate you, to hand you respect on a silver platter. That's not how it works. Respect is not given, it's earned. Now, I'm not talking about being the loudest voice in the room. I'm not talking about demanding attention. I'm talking about commanding it. And there's a big difference. Because real respect isn't forced. It's not begged for. It's built through your actions. Let me give you 10 rules that will change the way people see you, treat you, and talk about you. These are the principles that separate the weak from the strong, the forgotten from the legendary. Pay attention, because this will be the moment everything changes for you. 1, keep your word every single time. You want respect? Keep your word every single time. When you say you're going to do something, you do it. No excuses, no backing out. No, I forgot. No, I was too busy. Your word is your bond. And if your word doesn't mean anything, then you don't mean anything. I don't care how talented you are, how good you look, or how much money you have. If people can't trust your word, they can't trust you. And trust is the foundation of respect. The world is full of people who overpromise and underdeliver. Don't be one of them. Be the one people can count on every time. 2, master your craft, be unstoppable. Respect doesn't come to the lazy, it doesn't come to the ones who kinda want it, it comes to the ones who are obsessed with getting better. You want people to respect you? Then be undeniable. Master your craft, put in the hours, train like a champion, study like a scholar, work like your life depends on it, because in many ways it does. The moment you stop growing, the moment you stop improving, someone else is coming for your spot. Don't let that happen. 3, walk like you belong, confidence without arrogance. When you step into a room, people should feel your presence before you even speak, not because you're loud, not because you demand attention, but because your energy is strong, because you move with purpose, you walk with confidence, not arrogance, confidence. The difference? Confidence is silent. It comes from knowing who you are, knowing what you stand for. Arrogance is loud. It comes from insecurity, from trying too hard. People don't respect arrogance. They respect assurance. So walk like you belong, because you do. 4, shut up and listen. Real power is in silence. The loudest person in the room is usually the weakest. Most people talk too much. They want to prove they're smart. They want to be heard. But the person who listens, the person who absorbs, who understands, who reads between the lines, that's the person with the real power. You want respect? Stop talking so much. Pay attention. Learn. And when you do speak, make sure your words matter. 5, control your emotions. Never let them see you break. Life will test you, people will push you, but if you lose control, you lose respect. Period. I'm not saying don't feel, I'm saying don't let your emotions control you. The strongest person in the room is the one who stays calm under pressure, the one who takes the hit, smiles, and keeps moving forward. That's real power. 6, respect everyone, but demand it in return. Respect is a two-way street. You give it, and you expect it back. It doesn't matter if you're talking to the CEO or the janitor. You treat everyone with dignity, because respect isn't about status, it's about character. But make no mistake, if someone disrespects you, you check them, not with anger, not with aggression, but with firmness. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow. Don't allow. 7, be dependable. When you say yes, mean it. If you say yes, mean it. If you commit, follow through. The world is full of unreliable people. Don't be one of them. The moment people start second guessing whether you'll come through, your reputation takes a hit. And once that happens, it's hard to get it back. Never complain, find solutions instead. Nobody respects a complainer. Life is unfair, things will go wrong, but instead of complaining, adjust. Instead of blaming, take responsibility. Respect comes to those who find solutions. So the next time you feel like complaining, stop, breathe, and ask yourself, what's my next move? 9, keep growing. Never think you've made it. The second you think you've made it, you've already lost. The most respected people, they never stop growing. The greatest leaders, the best athletes, the smartest minds, they're still learning. They're still pushing. That's what separates the great from the average. So stay hungry, stay humble, keep evolving. Stand for something, have a purpose bigger than you. If you stand for nothing, you'll fall for anything. People don't respect success, they respect purpose. They respect the ones who stand for something real, who refuse to compromise their values, who use their platform, their influence, their life to make a difference. So ask yourself, what do you stand for? Because when you live with purpose, when you refuse to bend, when you stand firm in what you believe, that's when respect isn't just given to you, it's cemented in your legacy. Respect is not about what you say, it's about what you do every single day. So I ask you right now, how will you carry yourself from this moment forward? Will you be just another face in the crowd, or will you be the one people look up to, listen to, respect? Because respect is not a title, it's a way of life. Now go earn it.